by the way. Hope you are doing fine. And I'll show to you how I harvest. But many of us doesn't have any piece of land to plant potatoes. Even though we wanted to plant, but we don't have more room or more space to plant. But then when there is a will, there's a way. So you can use any container, plastic container or ceramic whatsoever. Raised bed gardens. We don't really need a lot of room to grow potatoes. So I will show to you without further ado right there. I plant 4, but I already harvest the other one. I already ate the potato that I harvest. So I think this is ready, and I will just show to you that it is possible. You have a bucket that's cracked, you put soil on it, and if you are living in an area that's have a lot of rice husk, kanang nilubkan sa humay, or that coconut coir or bunot whatsoever, you just chop it small so your soil is not really compact, and then there you can mix it with the garden soil. You can plant any kind. Just use the peelings, the vegetable peelings, and then the fruits, the bananas peelings, and also the the banana na punuan saging, imo nang bani, you chop it. The best good source of potassium or phosphorus, I think, or potassium, and yeah, it helps. Okay. It's not really, I already harvest some